start our chemistry part from the chapter acids, bases and salts. Students, we all are surrounded with so many kinds of organic and inorganic substances, right? And if we are asked to detect whether the given organic and inorganic substances are acidic or basic, how could we detect? Yes, to detect any of the organic or inorganic substances, first we must know about the physical and chemical properties of acids and bases. We shall take an example. So while having food, so you might have come across that some of the food, it has fallen onto your white clothes. Especially just imagine on the white clothes, food has fallen onto your cloth. So what will happen? Your clothes will get a stain, and you have observed that the stain will be yellow in color. But if you scrub that stain with soap or detergent, the stain turns into reddish brown color, right? So why does it turns reddish brown in color? And after washing that stain with plenty of water, again that reddish brown color will disappear, and once again the light yellow color it will reappear. So why is this so? Because that stain, in that stain there is a presence of turmeric, and turmeric is acidic in nature. So because of the acidic nature means if the color changes to red, acidic means if the color changes to red, then that indicates the presence of acidic nature. So likewise, there are so many physical and chemical properties of acids and bases which help us to detect whether the given compound, whether the given solution or whether the given substance is acidic or basic in nature. So to detect this, the primary test will be made from the indicators. Okay. So the primary step to detect whether the substance is acid or base, first we have to know about the indicators. What are these indicators? Let's see. Indicators. So indicators, there are of many types, but you have to consider these indicators from the chemistry part. Okay. So what is indicator in chemistry or science? So indicator means indicators are the chemical compounds that tell us whether the substance is acidic or basic by changing its color. So indicators are the chemical compounds that tell us whether the substance is acidic or basic by changing its color. So and these are of two types, that is natural indicator and synthetic indicator. So indicators are nothing but the chemical substances. These indicators are the chemical substances which tell us about a particular substance or a compound whether they are acidic in nature or basic in nature by changing its color. And these indicators are of two types, namely natural indicators and the synthetic indicators. So first we shall see natural indicators. What are these natural indicators? They are obtained from natural sources like plants. So there are some kind of, it is a kind of substance which is obtained naturally. That means which is obtained from plants. So these occur naturally in the nature. Such kind of indicators are called as natural indicators. So the indicators which occur naturally in nature, they are called as natural indicators. For example, like we discussed about the stain, that is turmeric is a natural indicator. Red cabbage is also a natural indicator. Flowers of hydrangea, petunia and geranium. So these are the flowers. Even those flowers can help us to detect whether the substance is acidic or basic. So flowers of hydrangea, petunia and geranium. And litmus solution. What is this litmus solution? Litmus is nothing but it's a purple dye. What is litmus? Litmus is nothing but a purple dye. Dye means there are two dyes, DIE dye and DYE dye. DIE dye is nothing but death. So DYE dye is nothing but the color. Okay. So litmus solution is nothing but a purple color which is obtained from a plant called lichen. So it is obtained from a plant called lichen. Okay students. So these are all the natural indicators. So what are natural indicators? The indicators which are obtained from natural sources like plant, they are called as natural indicators. Example, turmeric, that is haldi. Okay, turmeric is also a natural indicator. Red cabbage is a natural indicator. Flowers of hydrangea, petunia, geranium, all these are the natural indicators. And also the litmus solution. Litmus solution is nothing but a purple color which is obtained from the plant called lichen. Okay students. So this is about natural indicators. Next is synthetic indicators. So synthetic indicators, the word synthetic is nothing but man-made, and you know that. So synthetic indicators means they are man-made or artificially prepared. So synthetic indicators are nothing but the man-made indicators or artificially prepared indicators are known as synthetic indicators, and they do not occur in nature naturally. So for example, methyl orange. Methyl orange is an artificially prepared indicator. And phenolphthalein, I'll repeat once again, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. These are the two artificially prepared acid-base indicators. So now you got to know about indicators. Indicators are nothing but the chemical substances that tell us about the particular substance is chemical or particular substance is acidic or basic in nature, and they are of two types, that is natural and synthetic. Natural means if they occur naturally in the nature, they are natural indicators, and synthetic means if they are man-made or if they are artificially prepared, then it will be considered as synthetic indicators. So that is about indicator. So it's a primarily test to detect any of the subject, any of the substance, whether it is acidic or basic. So further few more properties of few more chemical and physical properties of acids and bases we will study in the next class.